Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring your scanner and Excel speak the same language. Put the scanner into HID keyboard mode for direct input or serial mode if you'll use a COM to USB bridge. This matters because input method dictates how Excel receives bytes. Open the workbook and click the exact starting cell. Once done, format that column as text to prevent Excel auto-parsing. If using serial, install a lightweight terminal or virtual COM driver so data flows reliably into Excel. This first alignment prevents corrupted entries. Now you capture and map the scanned output. Scan a sample to reveal whether the device appends Enter or Tab. That decides whether scans land in single cells or advance rows. For HID input, scans type directly. For serial, save the stream as A, TXT and use Excels from text/CSV importer. Once in Excel, use text to columns or Power Query to split embedded data, like SKU/QTY batch, into columns. Make sure delimiters and encoding match the scanner's settings so fields align correctly. Finish by automating and validating the flow so you don't manually fix rows later. Turn the destination range into a table and add a simple macro or Power Query refresh to append incoming scans automatically. This preserves headers and formulas. Add data validation and conditional formatting to flag malformed barcodes instantly. If scans land unexpectedly in adjacent cells or show gibberish, make sure the scanner's terminator matches your import method and that Excel column formats are text or UTF-8.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.